In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build AI teammates in Asana. By the end, you'll have an AI teammate that runs automatically in your project using rules to summarize, assign, or generate updates based on triggers you define. First, create an AI teammate using a rule-based setup. This lets the AI step in at the right moment and handle routine actions for you without manual work. Now open a project. In Asana, go to the specific project where you want the AI teammate to operate. Make sure this is the workspace and project where your tasks actually live, so the rule applies in the right place. Click Customize. In the project view, look to the top right and select the Customize button to open the settings panel for this project. Go to Rules. In the panel, find and select Rules to see the automation options available for your project. Click Create Rule. This opens the rule builder where you'll define when the AI should act and what it should do. Set Trigger. The trigger is the event that tells your AI teammate to start working. Without a trigger, the rule won't run. Choose a trigger, for example, task created or status changed. If you pick task created, the AI will act as soon as new tasks are added to this project. If you choose status changed, it will respond when a task moves between statuses, like from in progress to complete. Select the trigger that aligns with when you want the AI to help, then confirm your selection. Add AI action. With the trigger in place, you can define the AI's responsibility in the workflow. Select Add Action. In the Actions list, you'll add what the AI should do after the trigger fires. Choose an AI action such as Summarize, Assign, or Generate Updates. Summarize can condense task descriptions or comments into a brief summary. Assign can route the task to the right person based on your criteria. Generate Updates can post a progress note or status message for visibility. Click the AI action that matches your goal. Configure Behavior. This is where you fine-tune what the AI teammate should produce and how it should behave so the output is consistent. Set instructions that clearly explain what the AI should do. Type concise guidance. For example, summarize the task description into 3 bullet points highlighting goals, blockers, and next steps. Or generate a status update using the latest comments and include any due date changes. Keep instructions specific and action-oriented to avoid vague results. Choose fields like assignee, due date, or priority if your selected AI action supports or requires them. For example, if you're using an assign action, pick the assignee field and define who gets the task. If your AI should set or reference a due date or priority, select those fields here. Review your selections to make sure they match the trigger and intended outcome. Save and activate your rule so the AI teammate is ready to work. Click Save Rule to store your trigger, action, and configuration. You'll return to the rules list with your new rule visible. Turn on the rule. Toggle the rule to on so it starts running. Don't worry, rules only act when their trigger happens, and you can turn them off at any time if you need to pause them. Monitor the results to confirm everything is working as expected. Check tasks and updates as they come in. So create or modify a task to fire the trigger you chose and watch for the AI's action, like a new summary, an assignment, or a generated update. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the project and check the task's activity to confirm the automation ran. Adjust rules as needed. If the AI output is too broad, refine your instructions. If it's acting too often or not enough, revisit the trigger to better target the right moments. Small tweaks here will quickly improve accuracy and reduce noise. At this point, your AI teammate in Asana is set up, active, and performing the actions you defined whenever the trigger occurs. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.